everyone, and welcome to our Canva course. And for this Canva course, we're going to go from basics to advanced. And for our first ever lesson on Canva, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to Canva and its interface. So without further wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get started with our lesson, okay? So once you open up Canva, you will be directed to a login page on your web browser. Okay, so after you log in, Canva should look like this, and you can also download the Canva software from the Canva website as well. If you were to search on your web browser to download Canva, you will find the download link from there as well. So to introduce you to the interface of the Canva first, as you can see over here, this is our home tab. You have Home, Magic Studio, Projects, Templates, Brand, Apps, and Classwork on the left side over here, and you have the trash over here at the bottom. So anything that you delete, any kind of projects that you delete will be shown in the trash over here. Now, if I were to click on this, as you can see, it's a drop menu. So it's going to put all of those in and compress them in backward inside. And if I were to click on it, it will expand that segment again. Now, on the right side over here, you have your settings, where you can see your settings over here for your account, for your login and security, for your message preferences, for your privacy settings. You have a Design Pro over here, which is the paid version of Canva, and you can see your purchase history, domains, and anything which are available for you. And I'll just go back to home. Then you have the notifications icon over here, where you can see the notifications and the kind of messages that you received. You can create a new design from here, and this is your profile over here. And in the middle part over here, as you can see, what will you design today? You can go ahead and click here. You can search templates, search your previous projects, or create new project as well. And as you can see, there will be some shortcuts as well. Control Alt or Shift plus right to switch to projects, as you can see. Now, you can also have a custom size project open up. You can also upload a project as well if you have ever saved a project locally. Then you have For You page over here, where you will have some basic templates or segments or categories open for you. As you can see, presentation, Instagram post, poster, portrait with the size. You have document, resume, logo, document. Then you have video. Then you have your story. Then whiteboard, Instagram story, flyer for this size, infographic, desktop wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail. And in the below segment over here, as you can see, these are the recent design or projects. Then here you have your docs for documents. You have whiteboards here for whiteboard projects. You have presentations here. You have social media here, where you'll find for Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn specifically, or you can also see it, like search from here as well for both portrait and landscape, for both photos and videos as well. And if you specifically want to work with videos, you'll find that the videos are over here. Then you have websites over here, where you can design websites as well. Then underneath more category over here, as you can see there, you will find more types of like graphic design utilities, tools, or presets or templates for like any kind of project that you want to make. Now, to further explain how the interface works, I will dive right into like classes and other lessons, where I'll show you, like, for example, how you can create posts, how you can create videos, and how you can circumnavigate through the interface while making those projects as well. And here on the left side over here, as you can see, this is your projects tab, where you will find your previous projects. You have the templates over here, where you'll find like pre-made templates by other creators or Canva itself. You have for business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitation as well. These are for like the templates over here. You have specific templates for photos. You have specific templates for icons as well. And if I were to go back and click on templates over here, as you can see, underneath your content over here, you have creators you follow. So once you log in, if you follow any creator, you'll find their work underneath this tab. You have brand templates, which will allow you to, let's say you created a brand. Okay, you created a brand which is not yet out there yet. Let's say you're a startup, right? So now you have specific elements for designing how your brand image, right? As those specific like images or graphics or media that you have, you can put them or categorize them underneath the brand template and create them here. So if I were to go to brand templates over here, as you can see, we have nothing here, right? So you can also click on the help question mark over here to go ahead, open up a help account or a help, as you can see, recommended for you. Then visit our help center, or you can ask the question over here and they will try to figure out the question and they will also try to help you as well. If you have any like issues on understanding what brand templates are. But I'll go ahead and I'll show you what brand templates are later on as we go as well. And you have brand kits as well. So as you can see, there's a brand kit over here. If I were to click it, you have logos, colors, title, subtitle, heading. You can set all of this here. Now, how does this help? So if let's say I grab a template out of Canva, the main page, and then I try to like implement this brand kit, right? Then everything here with the title, subtitle, heading, with all the sizes that you have customly put, they will all be applied. Now, once they are applied, you will have a fine-tuned, already preset being applied towards that design. So you rarely need to go ahead and change how the design looks like. Once you know that everything will fit inside the design after putting everything here underneath the brand kit. So without like further going to brand kit anymore, because I'll show it to you on a later lesson, I'll go to apps right now and show you like what apps here can do. So underneath apps here, you'll find a lot of apps which can be like put together and used while using Canva. So underneath apps over here, as you can see, flower artist. So create elegant flower style images. Then you have neon art. These are like AI based, so generate non-style art from a text description, as you can see. Then you have also a specific AI powered apps here. You have productivity apps over here. You have design essentials over here. You have share and publish over here, where you can go ahead and share them through these apps. Then you have content planner over here, as you can see. So this is your content planner, where you can go ahead, go through the dates and times of your projects. Let's say you have a submission date, right? Now you can like mark it there on your planner, and you can like organize your work depending on that as well. And then you have mockups over here. So as you can see over here underneath the mockups, you'll find various formats over here where you can go ahead and use your design. Let's say you want to make a t-shirt design, right? You can let's say use this mockup and your t-shirt will come up on top of this over here. Design in the middle on the t-shirt. So that's one way of using the mockups here as well for any kind of photos, images, or any kind of like products which you will be trying to advertise as well, because mockups are mostly used for showcasing designs or advertising designs, right? So you have for print, you have for packaging, you have for apparel, and you have for home and living. So as you can see, there are product photos over here. So what is product photos, which is a beta option here? So magically bulk edit photos to get your products ready for sale. So this will help you bulk edit your images. Simply upload photos or folders, select the style, and we'll perfect them for you. As you can see, self-explanatory, right? So that is basically all on how the normal UI of the menu over here on Canva works. And as we go or as we progress through our lessons, I'm going to go ahead and show you how the interface looks like and how it works as we are editing or as we are creating a project. So I'm going to go ahead and end the lesson here, because this is only for the interface and introduction to Canva. And from our next lesson, I'm going to also show you how the UI interface works with specific types of projects that we work and move forward from there. So thank you for your time and have a good day.